Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while and I'm sorry about that. This is not sit on the floor and apologize. I'm sitting at a table, but I just took a break just for some personal things. But I am back now, and today I'm just doing a little vlog to kind of ease my way back into it. I've got some hauls coming. I've got the room tour coming. I wanted to put up a few more shelves before I did the room tour, so that is coming. But today we're gonna do a little vlog because there's this really cool place that opened up in my city where you can take Instagram pictures, and it's like a whole Instagram setup. So we're gonna do that today. But before that, I have to fix these shoes and I am going to unbox my GoPro. For my trip to Japan, I wanted to get a GoPro, and I was looking at the GoPro Hero 7 Black, which I ended up getting because it was on sale. I remember when they came out, they were about 700 bucks, and it was on sale for like $460 or something. And then I got a card for like half price, 80% off or something. It was really cheap. And then I got a gimbal, which I can also use for my phone, but it was like, I think it was like 100 bucks. It was better than the $400 one, which was actually for the GoPro, because this one I can use with my phone and my GoPro, obviously. So I'm just gonna open it because I kind of want to fiddle with it today. That is so small. Like, I obviously can't show you the camera I'm filming on now, but that's so small. Yeah, let's try and put this together. Okay, that took a lot longer than I expected it to, and it was really difficult, and I had to Google on my iPad what I was doing because these instructions are garbage. GoPro, for beginners like myself, that made no sense. So that, or I just don't understand technology. Yep. Anyways, in the meantime, while this is charging, I gotta get ready for this photo place, so let's go do that. Okay, so this is my outfit for the photo shoot area that has opened up in my city. So this is what I'm going to wear. My GoPro has fully charged, so I don't know if I'm gonna bring it with me or if I need some time to figure out how it works, but we'll see. I'm gonna bring this camera with me. I'm very excited. I looked up the hashtag on Instagram that the room's associated with, and the whole thing's pink, so I'm like kind of scared that I'll blend in, but they also had a sprinkle donut inflatable tube, and I'm like, guess I have to wear this dress. Plus, I think I'm going again on Sunday, so I might put a bit of footage from then in this vlog, because I'm going with another friend, and so yeah, I'm very excited. This is the first time I have done my makeup in a very long time. I just have been avoiding it just because reasons. But I'm so excited, it's like dress weather again, yay! Yeah, so we're just gonna head to the photo place. Alright, welcome to the voiceover part of the video. This place was called The Room at Uptown, or just The Room, and it was so amazing. Because in my city there's not a lot of places, especially for kawaii lovers like myself, to take photos. When I saw this popped up, I knew instantly that I'm like, I need to be here. This needs to happen. They had so many cute sets. I was just absolutely astonished. I actually found out about this place when I was coming out of Best Buy with my GoPro with my mom, and one of their little stands was right outside the Best Buy, and I read it, took a picture of it, and I'm like, I need to go here. So I found a time and I found my friend Vic, aka the Miss Vic Vic, and we went together, but there was just so many cool sets, like blow up unicorns, balloons, other blow up fun summer things, and you could just take pictures. The best part was it was all free. I don't know how they made it all free, like I would have assumed maybe like enter by donation, but I loved that. I think for really cute Instagram photos, having a space like this with cute props was like amazing, and I can't get over it. I am hoping they come back. They did this as a trial run, and they're hoping to have maybe like pop-ups either here at Uptown once a month, or like maybe some other places like Mayfair or maybe downtown. This was just a fun little wall, and I wrote my handle on it because why not? But there was just so many cool props. I mean, like, I can't even. It's just so cute. Like a chocolate door, and no, the door didn't open. I tried and I almost knocked the entire set down, so that was embarrassing. Definitely the best part was the ball pit though. Like, favorite colors, I can't even. I took so many cute pictures. If you follow me on Instagram, they are going to be coming out periodically. Here's some sneak peeks. I haven't posted all of these yet, but oh my gosh, they're just so cute. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. I will be posting 2 times a week from now on. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!